What's up, y'all? We back with another vlog. I got a quick release steering wheel for the daily, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. The only thing I feel like I'm gonna run into is the horn, hooking the horn back up, getting that right. The SRS light is on, of course, because the horn ain't in anymore in the airbag, so I'm probably just gonna take that fuse out so that light don't even shine no more. So yeah, let's get into it. Hopefully it'll be a quick process. This right here, that's a 19. That was kind of slack though. It might be an 18. Nah, 19. Throw that on there. I'm gonna need an extension too. Hopefully one will work because I don't have two. Wish I had my freaking, what's the name, but it ain't charged up. I went in there and I got all that, I got some tools a while back, and I got this little set, impact, driver, and 2 batteries. Guess what I didn't grab? A charger for the batteries. So yeah, that's pretty much why I'm using this right now. Don't forget to lock your steering wheel when you do this, because it'll make it easier, because if not, the steering wheel just gonna be turning and you gotta beat it a little bit to get it off. In the meantime, I was just getting the clips loose, which was this one, and it is, you pull it, so it's like that. So don't think it's a tab that you just push in like all the other clips. Yeah, they're right there. I already got this one off though. I'm getting ready to, this is gonna be for my horn. It was ran to the end with that, like that. The gray one right here, it was right beside this, and it was, you know how they do. It had this on it, running all the way up, but I don't need this anymore because ain't none of that for the horn, that's for the airbag. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get ready to continue. I'm watching a video as I do this, so this is my first time doing it. All right, y'all, so I'm almost done really with the hub, but this red wire, that's the same one that's connected to this gray one right here. They'll both be down there, by the way, when you first starting out. I plugged it back up. Not gonna be able to put it back in that bracket because it's not enough room, like it's not that long. But I just got a clothes hanger, cut the clothes hanger, and wrap that wire around. Let me show y'all real quick. When either way I turn or whatever, you see how it's connected right there, touching that metal to metal. That's good. So it will always keep that connection. And I'm about to go ahead and bolt the hub up and continue with the next mission with this. I'm pretty much like halfway through or almost through. Hopefully this horn end up working. That's the only thing I'm worried about, because like I said, I'm gonna take the SRS light out. Well, I really could do that, but I'm just take the fuse out, because taking the light out, I'd take the dash out. So all right, guys, got the hub on, and this is pretty much self-explanatory. Black go to black, that's the ground, and then yellow goes to right here. That's the ground because it's grounded right there. And then put this on top. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't think my horn gonna work, but I don't know why it wouldn't, because I'm doing exactly what I'm seeing on YouTube, but I don't know. We'll see. I'm not trying to doubt myself just yet, but on the YouTube video, he touched these 2 wires together, the ground and this, the one before you even connect it to this right here, and he had a horn and mine didn't make a sound. So I'm not sure why is that. And by the way, the EX model, I think it'll have a gray and a blue cable also, but you can just use the red because that's your power positive. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and put these bolts in. All right, guys, this just turned into a if you just want to get it on vlog, because I don't know how to hook that horn up. I did it exactly the way I seen it done. It's not working, and this steering wheel, like this horn and shit, it's made a little different. So I'll probably have to find a video one day that's a Keys racing steering wheel. Yeah, I got it on. I'm about to put the cover and stuff back on, but yeah, that was just, it looks a lot better than this. So like one day I'm gonna try to figure out how to hook that horn up, and to be honest, it might not even be me. Somebody probably cause all that was like that when I bought the car, so like they was probably in the process of putting all this on, so they probably unwired something. So yeah, y'all be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how y'all think it looked. I got another wheel that came with this one, but I'm gonna put it in the Avalon because I didn't want to put it in here because this car is just daily. So yeah. Oh yeah. So that's something else that happened during the process. Keys in my hand. Beeper still going off. It's all good though. That was my first time doing it. So yeah, and like I said, it's just a daily, so I'm not really worried about it. If it was the Avalon, I'd definitely be worried about it. But one day I'm probably try to figure out how to hook that horn up, and I'll vlog it, of course. But yeah, what happened with the Avalon, waiting on a tire, because one of the tires that came with it got a slit in it. So they're 215 35 R19 Federals, $5.95. Those are getting kind of low, so you can't even find any. So I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to find one. I don't know if I might have to run. I may end up getting a whole nother set of tires if I can't find one for it. So I'm still not sure. That is reasons why I don't really do install vlogs, because they never go as planned. So I mean, it's all a part of it. But yep, when I figure out how to get that horn hooked up, I'll vlog it. But other than that, y'all guys stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. I'll probably have the wheels for the Civic in my next vlog. That'll probably be my next vlog. Well, I also vlog Destin too, but y'all stay tuned.